welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this hair tutorial where I am installing this beautiful unit from Alipearl hair, and guys, I can't lie, I'm in love with this unit. It's perfect for summertime, for vacation, or just if you love curly hair in general. I feel like it's perfect.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a hair tutorial. I'm installing this beautiful unit from Alipearl hair. So if you want to see the final look and get this summery holiday ready install, just keep on watching. For a while now, I've only been using Ebin spray to do my installs. I haven't been using glue on my wig. I haven't done so for a year actually. Yeah, I actually haven't installed any of my units with actual glue. I've just been using spray, so I'm just gonna go with my Ebin spray today, and I used a black one. I haven't tried any other one, but I still feel like this is the best one. So yeah, okay, and this has a really good hold. And because this like closure, I'm doing this because it's a very wide closure. It's not even a 6x6. I think this is like a 9x6 or something. Like, it's quite wide on the edges. I probably would say it's a frontal. The only thing I don't have is this side.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without with you.
This unit, in fact, is actually a glueless unit, so it has a really strong elastic band. It can actually hold your unit like glueless, so if you wanted to wear it glueless you can do, but I just want a little bit more, I just want it to be a bit more secure, so I'm using with spray. So like, you don't even really need glue with this unit because it's gonna lay flat really well because of how tight the band is.
When I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her.
The hair's all glued on, so now I'm just going to apply my headband just so it can really melt into the skin and just make sure it doesn't move anywhere. This headband is absolutely filthy, like, bro. It's time to clean it, but I'm sure I'm going to wear it like that. I'm going to put my headband on. This is filthy, but you've got to just gotta like really melt the insides. And I've got this really cute one from Alipearl. Super cute. And I'm gonna put it on. Alright, I'm gonna do a middle part. Gotta make sure it's straight. So on camera my middle parts never look like a middle part, but I promise you in person they actually are. I think because my camera just kind of like inverts the look of like things, but it messes up how they actually look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just section out the parts. Okay. I'm gonna start on this section. I'm just going in. I'm using my carrot care wax stick. Just gonna apply it to the roots, and then I'm gonna go in. Is that hot? Oh, that is hot. And hot comb the roots of it. Because it's a curly wig, you don't really want to hot comb the whole thing, or else you're gonna like lose the curls. You just kind of want to make sure your roots are flat. This is burning my scalp, boy. But is it really doing its job if it's not burning?
Oh, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
So I'm going to take off my band now. I was going to put some spritz, but at this point, does it even need spritz? Like...
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
This is what our Insta looks like right now. Yeah, this is kind of the hair in like a big state, but I'm about to go and define the curls. To define the curls, I'm just going to use water and conditioner in a bottle, and then I'm just going to use some mousse. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Then I'm going to put some mousse on top. I'm using the Cream of Nature mousse today. Just put that on my hands and just rub it through the hair. Curls look like once defined. So I'm going to do this to the rest of my hair.
You, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
So this is what the hair looks like once it's dry. The texture is absolutely beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks so good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like blow dry just a little bit, just so it has a bit, it's not as wet looking and it has just a bit more volume to it. Then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like once it is kind of semi-dry, I'm gonna say, because it's not fully dry, but it's semi-dry. And this is what it looks like. The curls are defined, definitely. One thing I can say for sure, this lace, superb. It's actually super. Like, what? Are we seeing that? It's melted beautifully into my scalp as well. It's a very thin lace. Thank you so much to Alipearl for working with me on this video. I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I feel like it doesn't shed too much. It doesn't really tangle as well. Like, I was able to detangle it with my fingers when I was like wetting it. I didn't actually really use a brush or comb until to the end. So that's really, really good. It's a closure, but it's a really like wide closure, so it's actually a 5x9 closure, so it's like almost a full-on frontal, but it's not, which is perfect. Like if you just want to show like that much of your hair, that's perfect. Because sometimes with closures, if the wind blows anyhow, you know, you can see it, but because this is further down, it's a lot more hidden. Like it actually ends right here, but you wouldn't really be able to tell. So it's a 5x9 HD closure unit. It's a 24-inch deep wave unit. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all the details will be listed down below. Make sure you guys check it out. Check out Alipearl hair, and can't lie, I'm in love. And one thing I can say for sure, this lace, superb. I can't lie. It's actually superb. Like, what? Are we seeing that? It's melted beautifully into my scalp as well. It's a very thin lace, and